Welcome to LB City, an interactive map of the products offered by LB Water, S3, and 540 Technologies. In the menu to the left, products are categorized into potable water, wastewater, stormwater, and smart water layers. Clicking each layer will expand the menu and reveal its related products on the map. When you click on a product, the map will zoom over to it. Clicking the product name on the map will pop up more information. Use the plus and minus buttons in the upper right to zoom in and out of the map. Each water drop marks a product on the map. You can zoom into a product and open its pop-up just by clicking on its water drop. To hide the current layer, just click on its name. Most product pop-ups include a button to learn more. Clicking this will open a web page about that product in a new tab. LB Water and its affiliates offer thousands of products, keeping an impressive inventory of stock on hand at all times. Have fun exploring the wide range of products offered by LB Water, S3, and 540 Technologies on LB City.